it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the Astria. This is the Polaris. This is a 36-inch stainless steel outdoor gas fireplace. So any type of fireplace that you're putting outdoors, you definitely want it to be stainless steel so you don't have any issues with weather or with the unit rusting, especially if you are in a coastal environment. So again, this is going to be a gas unit. It just comes standard here with this mesh screen on the front, which can be shown here. The inside of the firebox is nice refractory lining with a stacked brick pattern. You do have options to add doors to the front of the unit if you choose, but they are not necessarily required. So this is going to be a zero clearance fireplace. As you can see, these standoffs on the top, this is basically your clearance requirement. So you can frame right up to the top of these standoffs with combustible materials, which would essentially be like wood 2x4s and drywall, and then you finish out the unit to your specs. So as you can see, it's a full stainless steel. This Polaris has a nice tall viewing area. Inside, here's going to be your gas log set and your stacked refractory brick. So this is the Polaris 36-inch outdoor gas fireplace. I do believe this model is available in a 42-inch model as well. I really hope that you guys find these product overviews helpful. If you like the videos, don't forget, give them a quick thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.